Ain't that the darndest thing? It is still alive. I'm just so impressed. I want to be that flower one day. No matter what anything throws at me, still be kicking. It is cold, guys. I gotta go out here and turn off the greenhouse heater because we don't want it overheating through the day. Even Marshall's in his doghouse. He's saying, So let's go turn off the greenhouse heater. Probably find Mooshy in here. This is where she likes to stay. In the cold, y'all. It didn't work. So I got it propped up. I had to get better duct tape. It was good in here. And Mooshy is not in here today. Huh. That's interesting. Let's turn this heater off. Sister, get out. Get out. You're still doing pretty good. Oh, look at that. My Christmas cactus is going to bloom. And my poinsettia has actually got its red bracts starting. That's pretty cool. Never had that happen before. And still got my 2 limes. But the weird thing about it is since we put them in the greenhouse, blooming again. Yep. It did abort all the other, well, most of the other limes. It's got 2 more that it's trying to produce now. But most all the others it did go ahead and abort. So hopefully this, won't abort these, but even got a couple new blooms down there. Let's see if I can find the bloom again. There it is. Another bloom, guys. Our weather is just so weird. But I'm going to have a lime. Let's see how big it is. It's a little lime. And a littler lime. But, I might get a lime this year. Who knows? Alright, let's get out of the greenhouse, zip it back up. Ken, that's the plan I got from you. Yeah, it is still cold out here. So I'm not going to open that. I did want to turn the heaters off though. I mean, everything has ice on it even. So, I think there's nothing pressing right now, so we'll come back out later. We're going to go get our coffee and stuff. Oh, and all of this finally got bit. But y'all, the roses had blooms on them. They had new blooms on them. I'll have to let you know what the roses look like later, because they were still blooming. But yeah, I think this is what's going to go ahead and cut it off for winter. Because everything out here now is officially bit. This is not bit as hard, but that's because it's up against the house. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Even frost bit. Beautiful. Alright, let's go get coffee. And there's Sister. Thought that was Mooch for a minute. Mooch will come out. She's somewhere. Alright guys, see you after coffee.
Good morning, y'all. How y'all today? What we're gonna do today, Rebecca?
Well, we're going to start off by catching a rabbit. So y'all come with us on our journey. Yeah, we got a rabbit loose. So we're going to go out here and we're going to try and catch it today. How are we going to catch it? I don't know. But we have a rabbit loose. It is one of my velvet furred rabbits. It's small, it's young, and it's not very friendly. So that's going to be really fun. So y'all, let's see how we do. All right, let's see if we can find it. It was over here earlier. Yep, still there. Still right there, guys. So we're going to try and catch it. Back it up. I didn't start. So we're going to put a cage down right here where the bunny likes to come out already. Got the door open. Basically, the rabbit will have no choice but to come into this path. Let's see if it works, guys. Bunny is not being very friendly. Go on, Bun Bun. Go the other way. Go the other way. Go the other way. There it goes. Did it get into the cage?
No, he's looking. He's trying. He's thinking about it. Let's give it a minute. It wants to. Alright, it's in the cage.
Flip the cage up, Mark. Oh, yeah, it is. It is. Hold on, hold on. No.
I'm trying to tell you.
I know, and I can't get there. No. I can't get it. All right, Mark, come flip the cage. And we caught the bunny. Whew. That was fun. What do you think, Mark?
It was interesting, but that went a lot smoother than I thought it was.
Same here. I knew better than to try to put my hands on that one, though. That one does not like people. It's not mean, it's just scared. We have not handled that one as much as we should.
Right.
All right, guys. I want y'all to look at this bunny's fur. This is a Rex mix, and his fur, her fur is like velvet. Unlike a regular rabbit, this one is like velvet. So here, Mark, hold the camera. Let's get him out. Her out. All right, look at that fur. That is not normal fur. It's like a velveteen rabbit. So we're going to breed this one later on and see what type of rabbits this one and another male with the same fur will give us. So y'all watch in the future, see what we come up with. She says, I load up on Mama's side, Daddy. Alright, so we've done the dreaded Walmart run. We have been to Michael's looking for craft wire. We have been to Office Max looking for planters. We're off to our next destination now. Where are we going, Mark?
Home.
Oh, is it home we're headed to? Yay!
You don't want to go nowhere else, so.
Well, we can go somewhere else. I don't mind.
Well, I do need to go put the poinsettias out on the grave sites. But if you need to go look at one more place, we will.
So we're headed to the the cemetery then.
Not right now. You get home.
That's what I'm saying. So after our countryside drive back towards home, then we'll head to the cemeteries.
Yeah, we're on old 280.
This is old 280, guys.
This is a section around Shelby County. Pretty area. Used to have a lot of horses and small farms.
Y'all see that fire pit area behind me? It's covered in leaves. All the stuff around it is covered in leaves. The driveway is a bunch of leaves. So we are going to clean all this up real quick because we actually have a gathering tonight that we're going to be hosting here at the farm. People can drop in and chit chat with us around the fire pit. So y'all stay tuned.
quick answer of that. Quick, yeah.
Yeah, that quick ha ha ha.
You don't have time to sit and wait.
Yeah. And you can even see it with news stuff now. Like if you look on articles online, like on Fox News and CNN, they're actual news stories. They have 5 bullet points at the top of each one saying who, what, when, where, and why, and then it goes into the thing because not everybody wants to read the entire 1,200 word article.